Exercise 6.4, third problem. What smallest number should be 7803 be multiplied with so the product become a perfect cube? Solution. Resolve 7803 into prime factors. We get 7803 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 17 into 17. 17 appears only 2 times, so 7803 must be multiplied by 17 to become a perfect cube. Next, fourth problem. Find the smallest number by which 8640 must be divided so that quotient is a perfect cube. Solution. Resolve 8460 into prime factors. We get 8460 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. The prime factor 5 does not appear in group of 3, so 8640 is not a perfect cube, so 8640 should be divided by 5. Next, fifth problem. Ravi made a cuboid of plasticine of dimension 12 cm, 8 cm and 3 cm. How many minimum number of such cuboid will be needed to form a cube? Solution. Volume of a cuboid is equal to 8 into breadth into height is equal to 24 into 8 into 3 cm cube is equal to 576 cm cube. Volume of a cube is equal to volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cube is equal to 576 cm cube. A cube is equal to 576 cm cube. A is equal to cube root of 576. Now number of cuboids required is equal to cube root of 576 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 3 is not appearing 3 times, therefore number of cuboids required is equal to 3. Sixth problem. Find the smallest number by which 8788 must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Solution. Resolve 8788 into prime factors. We get 8788 is equal to 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. 2 is not appearing 3 times, so 8788 must be multiplied by 2 to get a perfect cube. Seventh problem. Find the smallest prime number dividing the sum 3 to the power of 11 plus 5 to the power of 13. Solution. The unit digit of 3 to the power of 11 is equal to 7. The unit digit of 5 to the power of 13 is equal to 5. Sum of the digits is equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. The unit digit is 2. Therefore, the least prime number that is divides the sum of 3 to the power of 11 and 5 to the power of 13 is 2. Next, exercise 6.5. First bit. Find the cube root of the following number by prime factorization method. First one, 343. Solution. 343 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. Therefore, cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Second, 729. Solution. 729 is equal to 9 into 9 into 9. Therefore, cube root of 729 is equal to 9. Third one, 1331. Solution. 1331 is equal to 11 into 11 into 11. Therefore, cube root of 1331 is equal to 11. Fourth one, 2744. Solution. 2744 is equal to 14 into 14 into 14. Therefore, cube root of 2744 is equal to 14, or 2744 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Therefore, cube root of 2744 is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Second problem. Find the cube root of the following number through estimation. First, 512. Solution. 512. First step. Start making group of 3 digits starting from the unit place, that is 0, 5, 1, 2. Second group, first group. Second step. Find group, that is 512 will be given as the unit digits of the cube root. As 512 ends with 2, its cube root also ends with 8. So its units place of the cube root will be 8. Third, now take second group, that is 0. We know that 0 less than 1 cube, as the smallest number is 0, so it becomes the 10th place of the cube root. Therefore, cube root of 512 is equal to 8. Second problem, 2197. Solution, 2197. First divide the number into groups. Second group, first group. As 197 ends with 7, its cube root also ends with 3. So its unit place of the cube root is 3. We know that 1 cube less than 2, 2 less than 2 cubes. As smallest number is 1, it becomes the 10th place of the required cube root. Therefore, cube root of 2197 is equal to 13. Third problem, 3375. Solution, 3375. Make the two groups, 375 first group, 3 second group. As 375 ends with 5, so its cube root also ends with 5. So its units place of the cube root will be 5. We know that 1 cube less than 3, 3 less than 2 cube. As the smallest number is 1, it becomes the 10th place of required cube root. Therefore, cube root of 3375 is equal to 15. Fourth problem, 5832. Solution, 5832. Make the two groups, first group is 32, second group 5. As 832 ends with 2, so its cube root also ends with 8. So its unit place of the cube root will be 8. We know that 1 cube less than 5, 5 less than 2 cube. As the smallest number is 1, it becomes the 10th place of the required cube root. Therefore, cube root of 5832 is equal to 18. Third bit, state true or false. First, cube root of an even number is an odd number. False. Second, if a number ends with 5, then its cube root ends with 5. True. Third, a perfect cube may ends with 2 zeros. False. Fourth, cube of a number ending with 0 has 3 zeros at its right. True. Fifth, the cube root of a single digit number may be single digit number. False. Sixth, there is no perfect cube ends with 8. False. Seventh, the cube root of a 2-digit number may be 3-digit number. False. Fourth problem, find 2-digit number which is a square number and also a cube number. Solution, the number is equal to 64. 64 is equal to 8 into 8, square number. 64 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to cube number.